So we ran out of time, and I didn't realize that number 3 is actually a bit different from number 1. So the reason it's different than number 1 is in this one, we had 2 sides and an angle, but this one, all we have are sides. So no matter what we do in our formula, we're not going to know any of the angles. So all I want you to do right now is just decide which one you want to do. Which angle do you want to find? It doesn't matter which one you find. I'm actually going to pick angle E because I read from top to bottom. So if I'm going to pick angle E, I need to make sure that 10 goes right there. So I'm going to go 10 squared equals 15 squared plus 12 squared minus 2 times 15 times 12 cosine of E. So let me remind you so you can compare them that this is what I wanted to find, and it's on the outside. Okay. Now I'm just going to simply simplify. So let me zoom in a little bit. So I get 100 equals 225 plus 144. Okay. 2 times 15 is 30, 360. And then I'm going to take these two numbers and I'm going to add them together. So I'm going to go 100 equals 963 minus 360 cosine of E. Do not put those together because the 360 is with the cosine. Okay? And then I subtract 369. And I get negative 269 equals negative 360 cosine of E. Divide by negative 360. And now I suddenly need my calculator. So I'm going to go on negative 269 divided by negative 360. And I get a decimal. Keep it. Don't change it. And now I have cosine of E equals 0.74. I'm just writing it down there so that I can see you did work. But keep this answer. So now I'm going to go second answer. Oh, shoot, now I got to do it again. Sorry. Okay. So now I'm going to go inverse cosine of this answer. So I'm going to go second cosine of second answer. And I get 41.6. They asked me to round to the nearest tenth, so it's 41.6 degrees. So I got, let me move that. Sorry. So I got my degree. So now I have to find the other 2 degrees. Well, I could do this again, but I feel like the law of sines is a lot easier. So boom, I found a match. Doesn't my video seem so much cooler with music in the background? Okay, so you want to find angle F or angle D? We'll find angle F because we feel like it. So I'm going to go sine of F over, who's the F with? The 15. Okay. Now I'm going to do, make an X, multiply what touches. So it's 15 sine 41.6 over 10 equals sine of F. So I'm going to go 15. I'm just going to literally take this and plug it in my calculator. 15 sine of 41.6 divided by 10. And then I get 0.99. And I'm going to do the inverse sine of that. So now I keep it perfect. Inverse sine, second answer, and I get 84.8. So now I got F, which is 84.8 degrees. Now I take these two, add them up, subtract from 180, and I'm good to go. So 180 minus 41.6 plus 84.8, and I get 53.6, and the sides are already done.